Rob from Backroads-N-Backwoods. Today I'm going to be putting some plow extensions on. I got the 72-inch KFI poly plow on my Wolverine X2 1000. So I got some extensions. We're gonna widen that plow up about 2 foot. It handles it real good the way it is. I think it'd be a whole lot more efficient, a whole lot better. Put them wings on it. So follow along and we'll try to put it together. There's a look at the plow from the back. I actually broke my winch rope the other day, so I had to tie a quick knot, but got the X2 1000. There's the Pro tapered end shield. This is the one for the passenger side. I got the passenger and the driver's side. So you notice I do have a piece of 1.5 inch galvanized pipe on the cutting edge because I got a gravel driveway. That helps keep the stones out of the yard. It does a pretty good job. So follow along. So first thing I gotta do, I gotta take I gotta take the marker off. I think I can leave my cutting edge on. I can get to that bolt down there. So let's get this peeled off. So that didn't take long at all. Maybe 10 minutes. We go from this to this. Looking forward to trying it out. I don't know. I have to see. I may have to cut a short piece of pipe, put on end bits. We'll see how it goes. Well, guys, that's it. Easy peasy. We got one on that side, one on that side. Get you a better view this way. Widen her up a little bit. Oh, there we go. We zoom that out. Again, I'm going to try it without the pipes on the wings. Let's see how it does. My center one, it could stand to be replaced. Plowed a lot of snow with this buggy. Pretty much all I got for now. As always, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you. Ride right, ride sober, ride safe. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We're going to try and get some more videos out this year. I know this past year was really busy. I got a lot of footage. I just have not had time to put it all together. So maybe I can do a compilation video or something for you guys. And for that, I'm Rob. This is Backroads-N-Backwoods. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. See you later.